Do you love natural DIYs? Then you'll love this relief cream recipe from Simply Earth. I don't know about you, but my New Year's fitness goals are leaving my muscles feeling like jello. This natural cream recipe is perfect for soothing my overused muscles so I can chase after my goals. Hey there Earthies, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Our relief cream isn't just a muscle soother, it's a calming, hydrating formula. It's perfect for moisturizing your skin while keeping your muscles relaxed. Before we dive into this recipe, I just want you to know we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it easy to make natural DIY products. That's why when you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients you need for this recipe delivered right to your door. When you subscribe, we'll even throw in a big bonus box. You can also grab all the ingredients for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Many store-bought relief creams are made with harsh chemicals. By making your own natural relief cream, you can feel good about what you are using. So let's turn off all those distractions because making is healing. Join me in making this fabulous relief cream. Lotions and cream are a combination of oils and water blended together. For this recipe, you'll be making an oil mixture and a water mixture, heating them up to the same temperature and then mixing them together. Here's what you'll need. From your box, you will need 2 teaspoons of cocoa butter. This is moisturizing for your skin. 1.5 teaspoons of emulsifying wax. You'll need this ingredient to mix the oils and water for your lotion. Without this ingredient, the oils and water will stay separated and won't combine into a luxurious lotion. 1 tablespoon almond oil, which is nourishing to your skin. 1/2 teaspoon of beeswax. This creates a protective layer on your skin and makes your lotion a little thicker. 60 drops relief essential oil blend, which adds soothing benefits to your cream. From your home, you will need 1/4 cup of distilled water, which will hydrate your skin. 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. This is an optional ingredient that will help draw water to your skin and improve its appearance. 12 drops of GeoGuard ECT preservative. This will help your recipe last a lot longer if you don't use it. Your lotion will only last about 2 to 6 weeks if kept in the fridge. With the preservative, your recipe will last up to a year and doesn't need to be kept in the fridge. A 4-ounce jar to hold your recipe. You can add jars and other Simply Earth ingredients like this to your recipe box order for a 10% discount plus free shipping. Special tools that you will need for this recipe is a thermometer and an immersion blender. First, you're going to create an ice bath by filling a large bowl with ice, then set aside. Add the distilled water and vegetable glycerin, which is optional, to a glass measuring pitcher or similar heat-proof container. Ensure the container is large enough for the oil ingredients to be added and the immersion blender to fit. Add the cocoa butter, emulsifying wax, almond oil, and beeswax to a separate glass measuring pitcher or similar heat-proof container. Fill the bottom of a large pot with about 2 inches of water. Set both jars from steps 1 and 2 into the pot. Do not pour the mixtures into the pot. Place both jars into the pot to be heated. Use medium-low heat to heat both mixtures. Remove them from the heat once the oil mixture is melted and both mixtures are at a similar temperature, around 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the immersion blender into the water mixture. Turn the immersion blender at a slow speed. While blending, pour the oil mixture into the water mixture. Mix for about 1 minute until combined. Overmixing the cream can create foam. Set the cream container into the ice bath and stir the mixture by hand. This cream will initially be quite thin, but slowly thicken as it cools. Continue to stir by hand until the cream reaches room temperature. In a small bowl, add the essential oil and GeoGuard ECT preservative. Remember, that's optional. Stir to mix. Pour a small amount of the cream, about a tablespoon, into the bowl and stir the cream, preservative, and essential oils until they form a smooth mixture. Pour the mixture from step 8 into the larger mixture of cream and stir until thoroughly combined. Pour the mixture into a small bottle. The cream will continue to thicken for 24 hours. Here's a tip. If you prefer to make this recipe without a preservative, store the lotion in the fridge and expect an estimated 2 to 6 weeks of shelf life. Discard lotion when you notice a change in smell, consistency, or appearance. Don't forget to label your cream. Now apply to your skin and enjoy its creamy texture while enjoying its calming aroma. Pure bliss. If I can whip up this fabulous relief cream, you can totally do it too. For natural DIY products made easy, subscribe to Simply Earth Recipe Box. When you make this recipe, take a photo and share it on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card and be featured on our social media pages. If you like this video, be sure to check out these videos for more natural DIY recipes you'll see on the screen right after this.